Okay, now as you do the titration, always make sure that you are swirling the conical flask at the same time. And make sure that the solution enters directly into the center of the conical flask and not to the side of the conical flask. Okay, at a point of time, you'll realize that the pink color of the solution is taking longer and longer each time to disappear. Alright, this means that the endpoint is near. And usually at this point of time, what we can do is that we slow down the flow rate of the burette such that it is dropwise. Okay, but at the same time, you should make sure that you continue swirling the conical flask. When the endpoint is very near, alright, what you can do is to control the stop cord such that you only release one drop from the burette. Okay, and then you swirl. Alright, so that you make sure you do not add any excess. After one drop, you always close the stop cord and then you swirl again. Alright, and you have to be patient towards the end. Such that one drop of the solution allows your metal orange to turn into this color. At this point of time, you read the final reading of your burette, okay, to 2 decimal places, and then you record it down.